we are going to learn about work, energy and power. Let us see what is work. What is work? Work is said to be done only when a body undergoes displacement under the action of a force. Hence, work done, W is equal to F into S, joule. What is work? Work is said to be done only when a body undergoes displacement under the action of force. See, within the diagram you can see the boy is exerting force on that object to move it. Now, work done against the gravitational force. Let us see the work done against the gravitational force. We have W is equal to Fs. When a body is raised through a height h, then S is equal to h. As per Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to mg. Then W is equal to mgh. Work is equal to mgh. Work done against gravitational force is mgh. What is the work done against gravitational force? Work done against the gravitational force is mgh. Now let us see types of work. Types of work. There are three types of work. First one is positive work, then negative work, and another one is zero work. So there are three types of work: positive, negative and zero work. As the name indicates, when displacement is along the direction of applied force, then it is called as positive work. When displacement is along the direction of applied force, then it is called as positive work. While when displacement is opposite to the direction of applied force, then it is called as negative work. And when displacement is zero, then it is called as zero work. We can see the example of positive work. Work done by gravity on a freely falling body will be positive work, while work done by friction will be a negative work, because friction is slowing down the speed, while here in positive work gravity is increasing the speed of the object. While work done on pushing a rigid wall, if somebody is pushing a rigid wall, then there will be no work, hence it will be a zero work. Let us see here. Energy is the capacity to do work. Energy is the capacity to do work, and unit of energy is joule. Types of energies are mechanical energy, heat energy and electrical energy. What are the types of energies? Mechanical energy, heat energy and electrical energy. Then let us see types of mechanical energy. There are two types of mechanical energy: kinetic energy and potential energy. Here, kinetic energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Therefore, K is equal to half of mv square, while potential energy possessed by a body due to its position. Hence, here U is equal to mgh. Now let us see what is the law of conservation of energy. Here, law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy can only be converted into another form of energy. For example, light energy can be converted into heat energy. Light energy can be converted into heat energy. Then let us see what is power. What is power? Here, work done per unit time or rate of doing work is power. Work done per unit time or rate of the doing work is called as power. Hence, power is equal to W upon T, work upon time, and unit is joule per second. Unit of power is joule per second. Here, the boy is exerting power by hitting the ball. Now let us see another term. It is called as horsepower. In the early days, horses were used to pulling carts and other purposes. A horsepower or 1 HP is the power of a horse. So here 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt.